Hi babe, it's Vicky here. I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I straighten my wigs. Now, if you are interested in seeing how I maintain my wigs, comment down below and let me know and I'll definitely do a video for you. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how I straighten my wig. This wig has been with me for a while, but I've just been making sure that I take good care of it so that it still looks nice no matter how old it is. So if you are interested, please do stay tuned. But before you leave, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get straight into this video. Now, my hair looks a big mess, but we're about to fix that and we're going to look a little bit like this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to brush through my hair, starting at the ends of the hair and then working my way in. Ladies, this is how you brush your wig. Start at the ends and then you work your way in. For those who didn't know, I know most of you know. Next thing, I'm going to reach for my straightener. This is a Safeway straightener that I got from Clicks a few years ago. The one thing I love about the straightener is that you can see the temperature, so I'm just going to set it to 210 degrees. Next thing, I'm going to reach for my Tresseme heat protectant spray and I'm going to spray that through my hair. I'm not necessarily trying to get my hair wet, but I still want to make sure that most strands are coated. I spray some of it and then I use my hands to, spread it through the hair. Next thing I'm going to reach for is my Loreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. I'm just going to put a small amount of that into my hair. Now when I straighten my hair, I work in sections, so I'm using it on half of my head. Next thing, I'm using my Pantent Split Ender Serum. I love this serum. It protects your ends and helps them to still look healthy. Now I am sectioning off a front portion of my head, so the back portion has been straightened already, so I wanted to show you guys with the front portion. So I take a comb, preferably you should be using a rattle comb. I couldn't find mine and I had to straighten my hair. It was too much of a mess, so I just reached for whatever comb I could find. I then run that through my hair with a chaser method. So the comb is in front and the straightener is at the back, so that's why it's called a chasing method, because it looks like the straightener is chasing the comb. I normally go through my hair twice, so I'm just gonna do that again, put the hair in the comb and then take the straightener and follow that. And so I'm going to pick another section of hair and basically repeat the same steps. Straightening your hair is quite a repetitive process, but the one tip that I can give you is that the smaller the sections that you use, the more straight your hair is going to be. So I always prefer, after washing my wigs, take my time and straighten them for the first time, and then thereafter I can use bigger sections if I ever need to straighten my hair during the week or something. But do take your time when you're straightening your hair, and that's how you get bone straight hair. Now don't worry about that line that you can see over there. We are going to fix it. It's mostly because when I get to my closure, I don't try and straighten from the roots, because that will result in a bump on the closure itself. So now to fix that little line that you could see, I'm now going to take my straightener and I'm going to sort of flatten the top. I hold my hair back with one hand and then I flatten the top. So that is exactly how I do it. And yeah guys, that is how your hair will look. And a full head of straightened hair will look something like this, obviously excluding the makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to leave a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one.